and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. As you can tell, I've got my workout gear on and my whistle. I know you're thinking why? Because the Super Bowl is on Sunday, and again, we're thinking why? Well, you know, I'm a Cowboys fan and they didn't make it to the Super Bowl this year, and I don't have a Chiefs jersey, so I'm working with what I have. I love this. It is super duper easy and a great idea if you want to make cookies for a Super Bowl party. So with that, let's get started. And our three colors for today are the red, the brown, and the white. So the brown, of course, is going to be for the football. I have the red and the white for the Chiefs jerseys. Of course, again, if the Cowboys made the Super Bowl this year, it would be blue and white, but you know, that's not where we are. Anyways, so with that, I have the red and the white for the Chiefs jersey, and also make sure that you do the same three colors for your piping bags. To start off, we are going to use the jersey cookie. I got that cut out at Joann's. So we are going to start with the side. So again, one side, just kind of let it fall. Kiss the other side. And I like to just do it on all of the edges. And there you go. Ooh. And that's fine that it did that. Since this jersey is going to be all red, it's no harm, no foul. So we're just going to kiss that edge. And we've got over here for the sleeves. And then we get the top. Okay, perfect. So like I said, in my past videos, I always just like to just go into the corners that are sticking out maybe a little bit and just push those down so that it looks a little bit cleaner. Now we are going to take our fill and we're going to fill that in. So I always like to start around the edges. That's a good amount. And now we're just going to spread that around, and see, you don't even see where that little red part broke earlier. Again, make sure that when you are swirling it around, you are kissing those edges. You don't want it to go over the edges, you're just kissing them. And okay, now that we have that all done, I am now just going to let this ice and dry and harden so that we can put the top designs on it. And now that it has dried, we are going to add some stripes. So just some stripes. I'm just going to do one down here. And then we've got two. Kiss that end. And kiss that end. One over here. There we go. And you could just leave that there. I personally, though, am going to add my favorite Chiefs players jersey number, just to make it a little bit more personal. Then use the top just to connect those two lines a little bit. Again, my Cowboy fans, you guys actually have my heart. Don't get it twisted. Make it a little bit more thicker. Okay. Let's get this going a little bit better. And we have our Jersey cookie. And now we have the football cookie. This one's gonna be super duper easy. I love the football cookie. It's a really cute cookie, easy design for any football game. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna kiss this on this edge and then just bring it all the way around. Perfect. And now we are just going to use the fill to fill in this football. And that's a good amount. So just like we did for the jersey, we are just going to make sure that this goes towards the edges. Okay, we have our football all filled in, so I'm just gonna let that sit and harden for a while, just like we did for the Jersey cookies. And now to finish up our football, you're going to take kind of like a curve on the sides. So one curve here, kiss that end, another curve here. One more for this side. Again, I like my cookies to be a little bit on the wonky side. So the ends don't have to be like identical, but you still get the point. Take your fill. And your toothpick. There we go. And we're going to bring back the piping. And just a little trick, I like to do the bottom so that my curve comes out a little better. And then we have your middle line. This one. And this one. And if you turn it around, you have yourself a football. And with that, we have the football and the Jersey cookies. I think that they came out both really, really well. Look at that. And they're both super duper easy to do. I love it. I think that these are great for any time that you have any sort of football game. And I think the cutouts are really good because you can use those for other things as well. So 2 birds with 1 stone. But with that, guys, make sure that you do like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so that you are notified for when I do post my next video. And with that, I'll see y'all later.